Öhlins Racing, it's a Swedish manufacturer of high-performance suspension. We're involved mainly in motorsport, so we work in areas like Formula One, World Touring Car and GT, for example. And we also have a range of road and track suspension for everyday road users, so people who are looking for performance gains in their suspension when they go on track day.
And tell us a little bit more about the product range that you're displaying here at BMW.
Yeah, so we're mainly focused on the car racing side, so we have the top-end Formula One race dampers here. It goes down to World Touring Car, GT racing, and then the next level is our road and track range. So we have very high-end, what we call TTX dampers, and then we come down to the more conventional single-tube type dampers with single adjusters for the everyday road user.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit more about perhaps the sort of technical differences across that spectrum then, because that's quite interesting about what can be done.
Absolutely. So you'll see from the Formula One dampers, they're very small, very lightweight, but the actual technology inside the damper, which we call our TTX, is very similar to what we have in the GT racing and also for the high-end road user product as well. So we're really passing down the technology that we learn in Formula One down to the road user as well.
And is that important for a company like Öhlins that you have that transfer?
Absolutely. I mean, Öhlins is a brand we're seen as very high-end. It's obviously not the cheapest product on the market, so we have to sell it to the people based on the technology, the high quality, the high performance, because normally our customers are buying our suspension as a performance upgrade rather than just a direct replacement. So we have to show that the product is working at a very high level, and that's why the technology is so important, because it sets the product apart from our competitors because of the high-end performance.
And how important is the relationship with the customer, and how detailed are the conversations you have to make sure you're doing things right?
Well, it's very important, and this is why we have a presence at the racetrack. So, for example, in Germany, we look after VLN series. If we look at, say, for example, the motorcycle side, we're very famous for in MotoGP, World Superbike. We have a direct presence there with technicians. We have 2 articulated trucks with 20 technicians on board, and of course we're getting direct feedback from the drivers, from the race engineers, and that really helps us to engineer the product to make sure that we have the best product for the end user.
Tell me about being at BMW and how good this show is for you.
Yeah, it's been very good. It's an opportunity to be able to meet with a lot of people in one place. Obviously, if we wanted to meet with all these motorsport customers normally, it'd be a lot of flight tickets and traveling around the world. So it's a great opportunity to see all these people in one place, and we've had very good meetings this week. And yeah, we hope the same for today.